3.pcap's one operator, a full lateral movement chain hiding in plain sight inside Windows protocols. Let's reconstruct it. Welcome back. This channel is for analysts who don't just want answers, they want methodology. Today, PacketDetective 1 CyberDefenders 3 captures 8 questions, full kill chain reconstruction mapped to Mitre attack. Let's go. September 2020 SOC flags anomalous SMB traffic, possible privileged account compromise. You get 3.pcap's, no EDR, no logs, just packets. We are just reconstruct the attack timeline and extract IOCs open with Wireshark. Traffic-1, SMB bytes. First question, SMB footprint. Statistics protocol hierarchy, SME bytes, answers to and 4 seconds. 4406. Low volume, no exfiltration. This is controlled interaction pressing over noise. SMB out administrator. Session setup username administrator, that's immediate privilege, likely stolen credits or past the hash. This is Mitre attack equals at 1021.002 lateral movements already in progress. Step 3, file access event log. SMB file access anti-create and X event log. That's not data access, that's targeting log. So you already know what's coming. Even event log cleared, filtering event log clear event log W, switch time format, get real time step, get UTC. This is the T1070.001 per defense evasion. Traffic-2 RPC named pipe at Swiss. Traffic-2 DC RPC traffic follow TCP stream. Look for pipe 8 CVC task. That's task scheduler. Remote execution via named pipe. No shell, no noise. Mapped to Mitre attack equals T1053.005. Stats conversations duration 11 seconds. That's scripted execution. Fast in, fast out, minimum detection window. Traffic-3 backdoor account. Traffic-3 session setup username backdoor. They created persistence at 1136.001. Now this is no longer one compromised credential, it's system modification. PS execution smb2 search.exe ps svc exe, that's ps exec drop service executed. Commands cleans up mapped to Mitre attack at 1569.002. Kill chain recap, condensed but powerfully. Here is the full chain. SMB login with administrator, event log access cleared, RPC task scheduler execution 11 second lateral burst, backdoor account created, PS exec deployed for remote execution, credential abuse, log destruction, living of the land, execution, persistence, everything visible on the wire. Analysis inside, no malware required, no custom tooling, just native Windows protocols, SMB RPC services. This is what real installations look like in enterprise networks. Network forensics forces discipline, no endpoint visibility, no assumptions, just packets and your ability to interpret them. If this helped you level up your analysis workflow, subscribe. Full Mitre attack mapping is in the description. Drop the next step you want covered. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channels. Thank you for watching.